Guyana's Police Commissioner Acting Clifton Hickins said road accidents have increased by 30% and fatalities by 33% so far for this year compared to 2022. Hickins was speaking at the launching of the National Traffic Campaign Respect the Road, held at the Police Officers' Mess Iflary on Monday. The campaign theme is Slow Down, Drive Cautiously.
And so this campaign will be sustained over a period. We cannot have results that the results that we're looking for overnight. But trust me, over a period, because we're going to hammer implementation at every level, we're going to see the desired results we need. But working together, we can create a culture that prioritizes safety on our road. It requires, very importantly, commitment, understanding, collective actions from all stakeholders. Again, I'm emphasizing the need for us to work together. Collective action for all stakeholders. And so, let us embrace the responsibility and be the change we want to see on our roads. Together, we can make our streets safer, save lives, and protect our communities. From today, henceforth, let's make this the dawn of a new era where enforcement will be one of the prevention methods by having visibilities across the 10 administrative regions of Guyana, and by extension, the 12 administrative regions of the Guyana Police Force. And so that by itself will act as a deterrent. We've been enforcing the law in terms of charging. Let's be courteous, but let's be firm.
According to Hickins, every day we witness irresponsible behavior by vehicle operators when using the road. The Top Cop said there were more than 4,000 ticketing offenses committed for the year so far.
We've placed, other than the ticketing offenses, in excess of 4,000 for the year already. We've charged in excess of 2,000 persons and put them before the court. Is this working? Yes. Is this working? No, to some extent. And so, again, we cannot work in isolation. We've recently put harsh penalties through our AG Chambers and our Minister of Home Affairs, which was passed in Parliament. Is that a deterrent? Yes. Is that preventing irresponsible behavior? Yes and no. And so it will always be a work in progress, depending on the mindset of who's driving. A very, very, very important point was made by the NSA, and it resonated with me. We cannot have civilians doing this type of assessment unsupervised. But in order for us to impede on the space, it calls for concept, it calls for collaboration, and more than that, it calls for sitting and straightening out structures, and so that we can appease everybody at the same time, and we can achieve best practices. The World Health Organization has ranked Guyana at number 63 in road traffic accidents deaths. And this is alarming, as these accidents are not merely statistics. The figure represents a person, a child, a loved one, or the entire community. Speeding, driving under the influence, poor driver behavior, distracted driving, and inadequate road infrastructure are just a few factors contributing to these tragedies. And the consequences can be physical, emotional, financial, and social.
He feels, together as a nation, we can make a difference and create safer roads for all road users. To this end, Hickins spoke of plans to have public awareness campaigns on the importance of following traffic laws and utilizing technology.